Hi, this short yoga flow is going to focus on the neck and the shoulders, softening through this neck portion and allowing the shoulders to relax down the body. So if I haven't met you yet, my name is Jessica Lucy, and I help people find joy and confidence in the way they move. Let's get started in a seated position, whichever is most comfortable for you, whether that's cross-legged, kneeling, or some other thing. And take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth in order to settle into this space. As you breathe out, you can soften your gaze or even close your eyes. Notice how the shoulders are showing up, how far away they feel from the neck and your ears. Maybe notice any tension through the neck and the shoulder space, just to figure out where you're starting from. And if your eyes are closed, slowly begin to blink them open. Take a deep breath in. Exhale fully and begin to do shoulder rolls, allowing the shoulders to roll up, back, and down the body. And as you do that, notice the movement of the shoulders, if there's any crackling or not. And then bringing a little more intensity into the space. On your inhale, bring the shoulders all the way up towards the ears, and then exhale, soften down the back body. So inhale, shoulders go all the way up, and exhale, soften down, release. And one more time, all the way up, and soften down, release. Notice how that released space feels. Exhale, bring the chin towards the chest, hands can come down. Begin making half moons, allowing the chin to come towards the chest on the exhale, and inhaling ear towards shoulder. Doing that with the breath, inhaling ear towards shoulder, exhale, chin towards chest. And feel free to soften through the eyes. You can have your hands out in front of you, or if you'd like more of a stretch through the neck space, take the arms out towards the side as you move. Notice how the neck feels. On your next inhale, bring the left ear towards the left shoulder. Hold that space, take the right arm out towards the side, and begin making half moons, stopping where you'd like to feel a little longer of a stretch through that right shoulder neck space. Deep breath in. Exhale, bring your left hand down towards the ground. Inhale, reach the right arm over and up. So now you're reaching across towards the left side. On your next exhale, tap the right hand down as you reach forward and across. And inhale, come back up. So exhale, tap it down. Inhale, reach back up. And exhale, tap down. Inhale, reach back up. This next tap down, we'll hold it for one breath in. Relax the head. Maybe even look underneath the armpit. Exhale, press down through the sit bones. Reach a little further in front of you. Then inhale, come back up. Bring the right hand down. Bring the right ear towards the right shoulder. Now the left hand goes out towards the side, creating those half moons on that left side. Notice the quality or intensity of the stretch through that left shoulder space, left neck space, and stop whenever you like to. Give that space a little more attention. Soften the eyes and the jaw. Couple deep breaths. Relax the left shoulder and the right shoulder. Then bring the right hand down towards the ground. Inhale, reach the left hand up, and exhale, reach over and across towards the right. Push down through the sit bones, reach up and over. Then exhale, reach forward and over, tap that left hand down. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, tap down, relax the head. Inhale, come back up. 2 more times, exhale and inhale. Exhale Inhale, rotate the chest up and open. Then exhale, reach forward and hold. Push into the ground and draw the sit bones back and down. Relax the head. Take one deep breath there. Exhale fully. And inhale, come back up. Relax the hands down, roll out through the shoulder space. Then move into a table tap position. Hands go underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. On your next inhale, move through a cat-cow space. Allow the belly to go down as the gaze goes up into cow. Exhale, arch around the back, relax the neck into cat. Do that a couple times with the breath. If you'd like to create more organic movement, you can bring the shoulders towards hips or bring the hips back. Any other extra movement for these next couple breaths that feels nice in your body. And if you don't know what that feels like, explore and notice. Okay. Begin to shift the weight over towards the right side. Lift the left knee up. Circle out through that left knee and then step the left foot forward. Bring it towards the outside of that left hand. Inhale to reach the hands up. Cactus the arms, so bend at the elbows. Lift the chest. Draw the shoulder blades towards one another. Push down through the feet and the legs. Exhale. Hands go behind the body now. Interlace the fingers. Hands pull back and away. Lift the chest. Maybe relax the head back. Deep breath in. Exhale, shoulders back over the hips if they've moved. Bring the hands down. This time pivot on the right knee. Right foot goes towards the left side of the mat. You can even lift and scoot that foot, that knee around. Moving into this knee down warrior 2 space. Feel free to walk that left foot forward. Reach the hands forward and back. Push down through the foot and that knee space. Inhale, sweep the hands down, up and around. Exhale, open up. Inhale, sweep and lower down. Relax the shoulders down. And one more time. Inhale, sweep. And exhale, relax the shoulders down. Hold that space. Look over the front fingertips. See if you can be strong through the arms and through the legs while being soft through the shoulders and the neck. One more breath in. Exhale, windmill the hands down. Pivot your right foot back behind you and step all the feet back. Find your way into a plank. Your knees can be up or down. Deep breath in. Exhale fully and move your way back into tabletop, knees under hips. Shift the weight to the left and circle through the right knee. Big step forward, bring that foot towards the outside of the hands. Inhale, lift the hands up, push the feet and the knees down. Cactus the arms, bend at the elbows, lift the heart up. Then take the hands behind you, interlace the fingers, and change the way you interlace the fingers so the opposite thumb is in front of you, and notice how that feels. Elbows and arms and hands draw back from the hips and down as the heart lifts up. Deep breath in there. Push down through the feet and the legs. Exhale fully. Inhale, lift the hands. Bring the hands down. Exhale, pivot on that left knee for a knee down warrior 2 on that side. So now your left foot goes over towards the right side of the mat. Maybe walk that right foot forward. Open the arms out forward and back. Inhale, sweep the hands down and around. Exhale, soften the shoulders down. Inhale, sweep, and exhale, soften and reach. And one more time. Inhale, sweep, exhale, soften, reach. Push forward through the front shin and down through the back leg. Reach the hands forward and back and soften the arms. Soften the shoulders. Notice how this side feels. If it's easier or harder. And on your next exhale, windmill the hands down. Pivot your back foot back behind you. Step all the feet back behind you. Feel free to move into a plank. just to integrate everything back through center. Knees can be up or down. Deep breath in. Exhale, lower the knees down towards the ground. Find your way into child's pose. Relax the head, relax the shoulders. And in this child's pose, take 5 deep breaths in and out through the nose. Once you're done with your 5 breaths, walk the hands underneath the shoulders. Exhale to press the hands down and lift the chest up. Come into a comfortable seated position and check back in with the shoulders. Feel free to have your eyes open to a soft gaze, or you can close the eyes. Notice the length of your neck. Notice the way the shoulders lie on your back body. And notice any tension, if there's more or less or the same, or something else has shown up. Maybe something left. Your eyes are closed, slowly begin to blink them open. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I'd love to know how your shoulders and your neck feel at the end compared to at the beginning of the practice. Please put those in the comment section below. And also, if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section as well. As always, if you like the video, definitely like it. Definitely subscribe to the channel to get more of this content. And if you really liked it, please share it with a friend so they can feel better through their body and enjoy the way they move as well. If you'd like to know anything else that I do, please check out my website, sunbreathyoga.com. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Bye.